Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring equal parts Reetha and Shikakai. This balances cleansing and conditioning. Once done, rinse the powders quickly to remove grit, then soak them in 2 cups of warm water for 3-4 hours or overnight to extract saponins and nutrients. After steeping, strain the mixture through a fine sieve and collect the liquid. The pulp can be saved for a gentle scalp scrub or mixed into a second rinse. Make sure to label the liquid if you keep it in the fridge. You apply the Reetha Shikakai liquid to soaking wet hair, working in sections so every strand gets covered. This ensures even cleansing without tangles. Once applied, massage the scalp firmly for 3-5 minutes to lift oil, remove buildup, and boost circulation, which helps nutrient uptake. After massaging, leave the mixture on for 10-15 minutes so the saponins and conditioners penetrate the shaft. If your hair feels stripped, make sure to dilute the concentrate with water. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water until the suds clear, which seals the cuticle and adds shine. Once rinsed, apply about 1/2 cup diluted conditioner from mid-length to ends and comb gently with a wide tooth comb while damp to detangle. Air dry when possible or use low heat. This preserves the natural oils. If you notice dryness or brittle feeling, make sure to reduce soak time. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut or almond oil to the soak next batch, or use the pulp as a milder scrub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.